Welcome to Finscreener, a complex tool for investors and traders. The website is divided into different sections that you can access from the web page header. The home page shows a market overview in different visual or numerical forms such as progress bars, tables, maps, etc., covering areas from latest news, ratings, earnings, indicators, through many screening tools, analytical views, to technical tools and insiders. All the US markets data is real-time data for premium users or with a maximum of 15 minutes delay for non-premium users. We cover stocks from US markets, OTC and European markets as well as Forex, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, commodities and treasuries, altogether around 20,000 securities. You can choose and apply a desired market for the entire homepage from the top drop-down menu, or you can choose individually from the drop-down menus for each table. For most of the tables on our homepage, you have a variety of different indices to choose from and to be displayed, such as S&P 500, Russell 1000, Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones 30, DAX, and others. All the tables show the most important information related to that section, and if you would like to explore more from the particular section, just click on the name of the table and it will transfer you to the relevant complex page with a huge number of other data and filters.
My Desk. This section is for registered users, serving as the customizable alternative to our homepage. You can add or take away various sections from the list on the left. You can move those sections on the canvas as well as increasing or decreasing their size. Since My Desk is created as the homepage alternative, you can set it as your landing page every time you sign in. In case you are on a smartphone or tablet, we recommend you to use the lock icon in order to avoid unwanted placement. Map. Explore Finscreener's main visual tools such as heat map, bubble chart, and histogram, where you can display the market in many graphical forms depending on the desired criteria and filter by dozens of advanced criteria, various markets, sectors, industries, and countries. You can also use the preset filters. Screener. To have a quick view of the market's main movers, just look at the Screener section. Top gainers, top losers, most active stocks, best dividend stocks, and more. Each page is easy to filter by market, sector, industry, country, and dozens of advanced and adjustable filtration criteria. If you need to create a sophisticated data set, use the Stock Screener, which gives you an opportunity to filter through multiple categorized choices using more than 120 filtration criteria and ratios, and to be filtered in various views. Once you have your data set ready, you can transfer it to backtesting or set up notifications. Analysts. In this section, we provide data and information related to recommendations from Wall Street analysts. The first part is based on a numerical scheme, where the stocks are rated from 1 to 5, where 1 is the best and 5 is the worst. The New Ratings section is dedicated to more qualitative recommendations where the analysts upgrade or downgrade the stocks, applying different kinds of recommendations such as buy, sell, outperform, overweight, etc. Target price and potential gives you a perspective of how the analysts perceive the price of a particular stock for the next 12 months. Earnings. Use Finscreener's comprehensive earnings section. Here you can see what earnings are planned to be reported this week, next week, or over the next month. Look at the earnings reported and check the history of reported earnings by quarters, how the individual stocks performed, and what surprises they reported. Insiders. Here you can look at the insider trading and its statistics, as well as the history of trades refreshed on a daily basis. Backtesting. This tool is created for the users so they can see how well the investment model or strategy has worked in the past using historical data. You can backtest particular securities or a whole pool of securities within a desired time period and using dozens of different criteria. The results are then displayed within a complex table showing the returns as well as values for different ratios and indicators. My Portfolio. The My Portfolio section is for the user to create one or multiple portfolios divided into sections such as General Overview and Allocation, Transactions, and on top of that you will have an overview of fundamentals, technical, financials, performance, and chart of the securities within your portfolio. The user can also choose to accumulate dividends for dividend stocks. Create alerts to be emailed to your address or set it as pop-up on the website once the criteria are fulfilled. Or create a watch list simply by entering tickers or transfer it from any page after you filter the relevant securities within the section. Use functionality. Export any dataset to Excel. Save and create your own data export on each page. Load any created dataset from a database. Transfer the dataset to a watch list or backtest it. For more overviews and information, look at the Finscreener blog or news. Title. Click on the ticker anywhere throughout the website or search via the Get Quotes search box to display any security in the system. Once you find the desired security, you will see a full range of information such as fundamentals, profitability, management effectiveness, valuation, dividends, as well as technical analysis. Everything on one page in comparison with market, industry or S&P 500 index. Use the three icons to add the security to your portfolio, watch list, or set up the alert. You can use our advanced chart and set up your own visualization using dozens of indicators and comparisons. On top of that, the user can access information regarding financial statements, earnings and analysts' ratings, insider trades, as well as fillings.